Today's section about reference manager software. Where we are going to use this manager software means while we are writing the research papers, at the time we are going to be using a references at the last section, and these references are going to be cited in the content. For that, it is more useful to organize the references and cite. Normally, we are not using the any reference manager software. It is harder to work out on the references. It takes more time to arrange in the different formats as per the requirement of the publisher. So for that to easy to organize the references, number of references by using the reference manager tools. Let's see what are the reference manager software. It is a tool designed to help the researchers, students, and writers efficiently organize, store, and cite the references for their work. These tools simplify the process of managing a large number of references, ensuring consistency and accuracy in citations and bibliographies. Right? While writing the papers, research papers, or publications, or any other books, for that we are going to be using the references. By referring the so many papers, we're going to be writing some article, and we're going to be taking some content from that article, and we have to cite. So if we have the hundred of references papers, we have to cite all those papers. So it takes the more time to arrange that. And as per the requirement of the publisher, journal publisher, they ask to keep that in a different styles, different styles like IEEE, API, like that. So at the time, we have to change the reference style as per the publisher needs. So for doing all these things, it takes a lots of time to arranging these references and citations. For that, it is most useful the reference manager software tool. What are the functions? We have the organizing the references, that is store bibliographies information, that is authors, author names, title, publication date, etc., and allows the tagging, categorizing, and grouping the references for better organization. Next is full storage full text files. Many tools supports the attaching and storing full text PDFs or other documents alongside their references. Not only that, annotate or highlight the PDFs directly with the software. Third one is citation and bibliography generation. It is automatically formatting citations and bibliographies in various styles like API, MLA, Chicago, IEEE formats. These are the main repeatedly showing in the publications. And not only that, it is going to be integrating with the old word process like Microsoft or Google Docs for in text citations and bibliography creations. Fourth one is importing and exporting references. Allows the importing references directly from the database, library catalogs, or websites like PubMed, Google Scholars, Scopus, etc. And exports references in various formats like BibTeX, RIS for use in other tools. These are different formats. The references will be available we're going to be exporting that. Next is collaboration features. Here we're going to sharing the references with the colleagues for the collaboration projects. And some tools offers group libraries for joining research efforts. Next we have the cross platform accessibility. Here we have the many tools offering the cloud-based storages and allowing the access to reference across the multiple devices. These are the different functions having in reference management software. Why use the reference management software? One is efficiency. That is quickly insert the citations and build the bibliographies. Accuracy. Avoid errors in citation formatting. Consistency. Ensure adhere to specify the style guides. I already told that each and every journal having the specific formats of the styles for the references. And time saving, reducing the manual rec- effort requiring for the referencing. Last one is scalability, handles the large number of references for the extensive research projects. Here we have the popular reference management tools like EndNote. It is a paid and widely used for academic and professional research. Next we have the Jotero. It's a free and open source and user friendly. Next we have the Mendeley. It's a free with a strong support for the PDF managers and collaborations. Next we have the RefWorks. It is a cloud-based and popular in academic settings. And next we have the Job Ref. It is also a free open source and focusing on the text users. These are the popular tools used by the researchers for the reference management. Now we will see how to work with the Mendeley. Let's open the web page and search here about the Mendeley Reference Manager. Here we're going to get in the site here, Mendeley Reference Manager and Reference Manager for the desktop. Right here we have to download the for the Windows, download it, and if you want the it is the software for the Windows. If you want for the mainly for Mac, we can use this. For the Linux, we can download from here. After downloading that, we have to log in into the web page of Mendeley web page by using the your mail ID if you have. Otherwise, you have to create your account. After downloading the Mendeley Reference Manager for the desktop, install it. So after creating and login to that reference Mendeley Reference Manager, the page would be looks like this, and we're having the library search. So go to the library here. Now here we're having the references manager, Mendeley site, web import. If you want to go with the premium means you can go, and it may have the it contains the data sets also. Let us see the minus Mendeley citations. Get into the citations by clicking on it here. Otherwise, go to the library. Here I already added some references here. How to add means add reference manually. If you have the paper details or the title or the name, journal name, year, all these things means you can give here manually and add entry. Otherwise, you can give the identifiers like DY number. Let us check any one paper from the IEEE. Here I have the image recognition paper based on the deep learning. Right, I'm going to be taking the DY number for this paper. Copy this DY number, paste over here. Look for the metadata. Automatically, we're going to get the information. The type of the paper is a conference, title, author's name, when it was published in which conference. It is the 29th Chinese Control and Decision Conference in the 2017 paper. Or add it. Right, automatically it will be add in your library. Okay, if you're working on a some topic, you can create a group here by using the create a group. By clicking this, you can give the name like I'm going to give the deep learning or images. So I got the here group name. After adding the paper, if you want to add this paper in a group, then use the organization add to a group. So automatically here we're going to get in the group names. Select the paper related to which group. Click on here and add. Clear? Like this, you are going to be adding the all the references in the Mendeley library. Clear? Now open your Word. You already installed the Mendeley software, desktop software. So coming to the reference here. So already I installed so that I got the Mendeley site here. By clicking that, it is going to synchronizing with your web page and the inbuilt software. It's going to be stored here. Here also you have to log in. So after logging that, it is going to be loading your reference, all references here. Right now you have to cite the in the content. Now we have to select the cited styles. Already it is in the some other format. These are the different citation styles. We're having American, API. Here we have the API. This is the API format. and IEEE format, Vancouver, ASCA format. Like that, we are having the different citation styles. If I want to proceed with the APA format, it would be looks like this. Update the style, so it will be saves the format coming to the references. Now here we have some text. Now add the I want to cite this text. So I'm going to check there the content I took from the which paper. Tick that checkbox and insert the citation. Right. So we already cited this. Here we got the one here. If you want to keep that in a square braces, I'm going to using another one. Spam email detection. Adding that here. Right. I want to place the references here. Click on the buttons here. Insert the bibliography. Continue. Right. Only the two papers we cited. Whatever we cited papers will be automatically adding in the references. This is the API format, so that we got like this. If I want to change that format into IEEE, it is going to be updated here automatically. Clear? Like this, we can save your time while working with the more number of references and citations. I hope that you understand how to work with the Mendeley, right?